Okay, I was looking at how would be the best way to assemble this back on here. And I think the best way to do this would be to screw this here back on here onto the hinges and then lay these down on top of here one by one and fasten them to here. And then when I get so far down I can flip it up and put the rest of it on. I still have this piece to go on yet. It's going to go on the inside here. That'll go in between. I can cut that to size. I have that ready, biscuit ready to go. Biscuit ready for it. Okay, that procedure worked out pretty good, putting together while it was on the box like that. This morning I came out here and I finished putting the front piece on right here. I cut that in between here, and it's now glued, and it's setting right now. The glue's setting right now. I'm reinforcing the. As I drill a hole down through there like that, and then I took it down all the way this way here. That way there I can put a 3/8 inch dowel down through here and glue it into here, and that will strengthen this from here down to here. Okay, that'll give you down to here now, the dowel. Okay, that'll stiffen that up pretty good now. Okay, this is how much I got done so far on it. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for right now, and the next video will be to, I guess, start working on the inside a little bit now. But I just wanted to show how that came out with the rounding feature, and that worked out nice for that. I'm very happy with that. And okay, thanks for watching. Bye.